Vinin tradwi ti müzik Justin Bieber sanse? An ale.
Oh, you care.
You know you love me, I know you care. Ou konen ke yo renmen? M konen ke yo souciye de mwen.
Just shout whenever, and I'll be there.
Just shout whenever and I'll be there. Rele n'importe le a, epi map la, map vini.
You want my love, you want my heart.
You are my love, you are my heart. Ou se ti lan mwen, ou se ti kè an mwen.
And we will never, ever, ever be apart.
And we will never, ever, ever be apart. Nou pap jam separe.
Are we an item? Girl, quit playing.
Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. Nan sa item, literalman vle di objet. Men, to be an item, c'est yon ekspresyon en anglais ki vle di, eske nou nan relasyon? Kom si, relasyon romantik. Eske nou se yon couple? So se sa mchap mwen de fom nan la. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. Eske nou se yon couple? Ti chéri, si span jwe ak sa.
We're just friends, what are you saying?
We're just friends, what are you saying? Se zanmi nou jisye, ki sa wap di la?
Said there's another and look right in my eyes.
Said, there's another and look right in my eyes. Se sa yon lot moun di, pandan ke lap gade m direktyman nan zye mwen. Broke my heart for the first time, and I'm like, baby, 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 oh. Premye ti lan mwen, premye ti menaj mwen, brise kem. Pou premye fwa, epi m tombe di, baby, 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 oh.
Oh, like baby, baby, mine.
Thought you'd always be mine. Mte panse yo ke yo tap toujou pou mwen.